Stop wrestling with paperwork and effortlessly seal the deal on any document with Dochub's powerful signature features. This tutorial will guide you through adding your own electronic signature and efficiently requesting them from others, transforming your document approvals. First, let's tackle adding your own signature once your document is open in Dochub. Locate the signature icon, usually found in the toolbar at the top or side. Click on it. A menu will appear giving you 3 easy ways to create your signature. You can draw it freehand directly on your screen, type it out and choose a font style, or upload an image of your pre-existing signature. Let's try drawing. Simply click and drag your mouse or stylus to create your unique signature. Once you're happy, place it on the desired spot on your document. You can then resize and reposition it as needed. Alternatively, typing your name and selecting a font offers a clean and professional look. Choose the font that best suits your style, and then directly place it onto your document. For those who prefer their handwritten mark, the upload image option is perfect. Select a clear image of your signature and Dochub will integrate it seamlessly. Now, for requesting signatures from collaborators with your document open, find and click on the Request Signatures button. This initiates the process for getting others to sign. You'll be prompted to enter the email addresses of the individuals you need signatures from. You can assign different roles, for example, signer or approver, and even add a personal message to guide them. Dochub will then intelligently place signature fields for each recipient directly onto the document. They'll receive an email with a link to access and sign the document at their convenience, making your workflow smoother than ever. By leveraging Dochub's signature features, you're not just signing documents. You're enhancing collaboration and accelerating your project approvals. Significantly make signing quick, easy, and efficient for everyone involved.